What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of KJ the Investor. This is yours truly, KJ. And without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the portfolio. As you guys see right now, I'm going to kick off this episode, man, with the conclusion of my options contract with Sweet Green, ticker symbol SG. Right now, the market's just opened back up. This Sunday night. The market's open back up. The stock is sitting at $15.04 right now. As a matter of fact, you guys know I traded a option. I had an option contract with Sweet Green. It was 4 contracts, as a matter of fact. About the company, Sweet Green is it's just like a healthy chain of restaurants. Let me just read the about. Sweet Green Inc. owns and operates a chain of salad restaurants. It offers drinks, sides, local bowls, salads, plates, and warm bowls. The company was founded by Nicholas Jamitz, Jonathan Newman, and Nathaniel E. Rue in November 2006, and is headquarters in Los Angeles, California. The listed name for SG is Sweet Greens Inc. So there you have it, guys. Sweet Greens, pretty good company. 52-week low was $14.61. 52-week high, $45.12. We got about 6,000 employees, 6,400 to be exact. A pretty good PE ratio. I made some money in this position, as you guys see right here in the history. I sold $15 puts. I sold $15 puts or Sweet Green. I had 4 contracts. Each contract represents 100 shares. So if I would have been assigned this particular stock, I would have been getting 400 shares of Sweet Green. And I had to put up, about $6,000 for collateral, but it's all good. I ended up making my premium $80, as you see right here. May 13th was the expiration. No, that's when May 13th is actually when it went into effect. You guys know to make premium with option contracts, so if you're a seller of an option, you make the premium right then and there. It's already deposited into your buying power and things like that. So if this stock would have expired in the money, which would have been $15 or lower, then I would have been assigned the 400 shares. But since it expired out of the money, when this thing expired, it was like $15.03. So therefore, I wasn't assigned, and I was able to keep my premium, and I was able to keep my collateral. As you see right here, investing account sitting at $62,630. Buying power, I'm at 66 and 64 cents. So since we got pretty good buying power, it's going back up more and more. We're gonna continue to sell more option contracts. You guys already know I've been dibbling dabbling, learning so much about options, puts and calls and all that good stuff. So we're gonna continue to do that for more passive income. Cash earning interest right now is 14.21. But I believe once the market opens on Monday, that's going to upgrade to the 7,600 that we got right here in the buying power. That's what's going to be earning the cash. And APY gold, since I have gold, it'll be 4% income a year. So my crypto holdings, I still got my Doge, I still got Ethereum, and I still got Avalanche. My stocks and ETFs, as you can tell, the market's turned back on and everything has been selling off. Everything has been selling off in the red, which is not something to be concerned about as much as I used to be. But now that I'm incorporating a passive income strategy as far as selling options, and I'll be taking positions here when the market opens up. I got 100, look at like this, SPLG, my S&P 500 ETF. I got 122 shares. So I can sell a cover call with this particular ETF to help generate extra income. Another one I can do is Walmart right here. Walmart's at $96.75. Despite having a tremendous earnings report, Walmart still traded downwards. And right now they're at $96.69. I got a dividend coming in for Walmart right here, $26.64. I got 113.35 shares. Market value $10,972.37. My average cost is way down to $58.71. That's because I was in this stock for 8 years. I've been in this stock for a while. Total return, I'm at 43.17.96, or a positive 64.89% return. It's hard to beat returns like that, guys. That's just buying whole, big boy blue chip long term. That's what this is. But since I got 113 shares, I'm able to sell a covered call on Walmart. And so that'll be more passive income being generated. So that'll be SPLG. Also, that'll be Walmart. Google, I might sell a put with Google. Right now, I got Class A shares, 13.07 shares. Right now, I'm just buying and holding. Market value is $21.33, 36 cents. My average cost is $144.41, but I have a total profit of $245.50, or a 13% return on investment, which is absolutely amazing. Anything over 8%, guys, we're getting rich. Don't think that you got to take the biggest risk in order to get the biggest rewards. I like to focus and concentrating on smaller rewards but more consistent. I want more consistent income passively as possible through options trading and through buying, holding, appreciation of the stock price. Even when companies have stock splits, I like to be involved so I can continue to get that uptick in price appreciation. Right now, the traditional IRA sitting at $46,431.23. Even though it's down for today, it's okay. This part of the portfolio has recovered like since the February 18th high of this year. Let me show you. So we got the 3-month chart right here. You go back to February 19th. That's like that was like the highest day of the market. I was at $45,171.97. But today I'm at $46,428.04. The past 3 months, the portfolio is up $1,244. That's a 2.76% return. So not bad. Buying power right now, we got $6,937.07. So I also will be using the traditional IRA account also to be generating passive income, selling covered calls, selling cash secured puts, and getting what we need to get to. I have Nvidia. I have 126.11 shares in this account. So I'll be able to sell covered calls. Average cost is $109. Market value is $16,745. I got over $2,800 in returns, which is a plus 20%, almost 21% return on investment. Incredible numbers, guys. So for the year, I'm up over 20% return on just Nvidia. And you guys know I still got my other 55 shares of Nvidia in the regular investing account. So I had sold off like 23 shares of Nvidia because I had took profits. That was another thing I wanted to let you guys know. That's why I don't have 205 shares anymore, but I have at least 180 something shares. So I'm still exposed to Nvidia a lot. Palantir Technologies, $126.24. This is a stock that I would definitely appreciate more shares of. I'm at 26.79 shares. Market value, $3,383.19. My average cost is $75.94. But right now we're up. Total return, $1347.89. That's a 66.23% return. Goodness gracious. Guys, Palantir absolutely crushing it. I believe it's going to continue to crush it. I'm very bullish on Palantir. I'm going to be selling some cash secured puts for Palantir in hopes to, well, I know I'll be collecting more premiums, but in hopes to be assigned. I don't mind being assigned Palantir. That's a stock that I actually would want 100 shares in. Like I said, and it'll be giving myself a major discount by getting assigned 100 shares through options than just trying to buy 100 shares at this price right here, $126 a piece per share. As a matter of fact, let's go here. Go trade options. And let's go for right now on May 3rd. Let's go for June 20th. Sell put. Okay. Oh, wow. Right now, it's not showing me a lot. I can bring it down to the 120. If I did the 120 put right here, the delta is 0.29. Oh, man, that's a great delta. It's almost 0.30, which is right at the sweet spot where you want to be. Man, this might be an actual play that I run because I got a 72.20% chance of winning. And I get a premium, $4.60, which is also, you times it by 100, that is $460. So since I'm selling, I would get a premium of $460 directly into my buying power, directly into my account. That would be mine. And if the stock price of Palantir came back down to 120 per share, then I would be committed to buying 100 shares of Palantir at that price. Wow, look at this. Even at the 115, I can still get $320 premium. 77.31% chance of profit. I got a 0.22 delta, a little bit less, but shoot, that's really, really good. Yeah, that's really, really good. Like, you're out of being assigned a zone, but if, like I said, if you don't mind being assigned this position, I would go for the 120 put, then you get a higher premium. Yeah. Even the 125 put, you get a premium of $655. So, guys, this is a super great strategy in order to build your wealth, things like that. So passive income with Palantir. Okay. Then let's scroll up. All right. As you see right here in the final account, we got $109,079.97. We're finally back up in this position, back over 109,000 for an all-time high. But I got a feeling Nvidia, I'm waiting to see what the market does, but I got a feeling Nvidia, when they bring out earnings calls, I'm going to see exactly how this thing plays out. I might run some options with Nvidia right before the earnings, and I got a feeling that the account's going to, explode. I got another 14,500, another 14,500 in the Fidelity investing account, kind of waiting and buy, going to continue to add to that position, getting good returns over there as well. So you guys, we're on our way to 150K, on our way to 200K, on our way to 500,000, and then on our way to 1 million. You guys already know. I appreciate you guys so much. Rocking with the best, rocking with KJ the Investor. This is KJ on the ones and twos. Until next time, peace.